Hi, we're here to talk about hobby expenses and whether or not they're deductible under the federal income tax. The first question is your hobby a hobby, or are you really running it like a business? If you have transformed your hobby into a sideline business, for instance, you can deduct your expenses if they are reasonable and customary expenses, and if you're running your hobby business with the intent of making a profit. Typically the IRS says that you need to make a profit 3 out of the last 5 years. That's kind of their standard guideline. So if you are running it like a business, you're attempting to make a profit, and you can show a profit, even a small profit, 3 out of the last 5 years, then you're entitled to take reasonable and customary expenses such as mileage, home office, whatever would be applicable to that industry that you're competing in. If your hobby isn't run as a business and it isn't a for-profit operation, you are entitled to take deductions up to the amount of your gross receipts. Meaning, if you took in $10,000 in receipts and you had expenses that totaled $12,000, you could only take the $10,000 in expenses that would match the gross receipts of $10,000. And those expenses would have to be reasonable and customary and meet the IRS guidelines.